Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Unknowns TV. Guys, you are highly welcome. So today guys, we'll be preparing this delicious okra soup. The ingredients we'll be needing is our okra. I've already grated it. That's my red oil, my crayfish, my dried bitter leaf, seasoning powder to taste, my pepper, sliced pepper, my salt, onions, and that's the ingredients we'll be needing. This is my protein. Yeah, you can use any protein of your choice at all, guys. You can use any protein of your choice. So let's go and start cooking. This soup is just 2,000 naira soup in this time that everything is hard, economy, everything is hard. So this is how I prepared this, my small okra delicious soup. Just put your pot on the fire, add your red oil. Just add your red oil. This method is very simple and quick. It will not even take you up to 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes to prepare the soup. So after adding the red oil, you allow the red oil to hot very well. Just allow it to hot very well. So you bleach the oil like this, like the way you are seeing it on the camera and the video. Just allow it to hot very well. So just check. As you can see, I'm checking it if it's okay for me. So that is okay for me. I'll be adding the onion. That is the onions. Adding the onions to it. Fry the onions a little bit. After frying the onions, just allow the onions to infuse into the oil very well. Then you add the crayfish. I did not grind the crayfish, but if you have grinded crayfish, you can use it. Add the pepper, sliced pepper, then stir everything together. Just stir everything together. As you can see, I did not add tomato, so don't add tomato to this soup. It's very easy to prepare. This is not the one you prepare with tomato. This is just your pepper you are adding. So after that, you add the okra and you fry everything together. Very easy to prepare. Just fry everything together, mix everything together, allow it to cook very well. Stir everything together, allow it to cook. So this okra is very easy to prepare. The soup is not difficult at all. This is a frying method. You can fry your okra soup also. This is a frying method. Just fry everything together, stir everything together like the way you're seeing it in the video. And at the end of the video, you will see how delicious this okra soup is. It's not expensive to prepare at all. This is what we call prepare your soup according to your pocket size, according to the money you have in your pocket. You must not break the bank because you want to prepare okra soup. If you prepare it like this, you will still end up having delicious okra soup. Father, so guys, after stirring it for about 2 minutes, just add your water to it. Add little water, just little water, very little water to it, and stir everything together. You can see how beautiful the okra is, the soup is. You can see how beautiful this okra soup is. So after that, just add all your protein, your beef, your bomon, your anything at all that you have in your fridge that you know you can use to prepare it. Just add it to it, stir everything together. Our soup is almost ready. I told you it will not take long. Guys, see the soup. How did you see the soup? See the soup. Very yummy. Very yummy. Just 2,000 naira, you can make this soup. Don't break the bank. This soup is easy to prepare and very delicious. So guys, just Test the soup. After testing the soup, add your seasoning powder, add your salt, and that is all that we need to add. No, the last ingredients we are adding is our bitter leaf. Don't forget to add it. Yeah, this one is dried bitter leaf, but if you don't have bitter leaf, you can use any leaf at all, any vegetable you have. Just use any vegetable you have. The soup will still come out very delicious. So guys, this is the soup. This is just the soup. I will allow it to cook. Allow it to cook a little. So you can see, I just want to show you guys so that you see the soup. See how yummy it is. Allow it to cook a little, and that is just it. So you see, I covered it, and this is how the soup is. Yeah, very yummy. So you can eat this okra soup with any swallow at all. You can eat it with gari, also known as eba, semo, pando, wheat, any swallow at all, amala. You can use it to eat it. So guys, thank you for watching my video. The soup is tempting, guys. It's very tempting. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification to be notified. See the soup on the plate. Bye.